In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Meet. Google Meet is one of the most popular applications that is used for meetings in different reasons, such as classrooms, which is Google Classrooms, group collaborations, and group meetings. Today, we will be showing you how you can use or fully maximize the use of Google Meet. So first, I want you to create or log into your Google account. As you can see here, I have already logged in using my Google account. In the web or home page of Google Meet, you will see these buttons, such as the support button, report a problem button, and this gear icon that is the settings. Inside the settings tab, you will see the modifications that you can perform, such as choosing the microphone for your meetings, choosing the speakers for your meetings, and next is the video. You can also set or modify the camera that you will be using for your meetings. For example, I am just using the traditional webcam of my laptop. You can also use an application which is the OBS virtual camera, or you can also plug in an external device such as your webcam. On the third tab is the General tab, which includes the sending the additional diagnosis info to Google, which is related to your Google meetings. Also, you can turn on your desktop notifications or not, and you can also turn this on, which states that you can leave empty calls. This will remove you from a call after a few minutes if no one else joins inside the meeting. Now that you already know what these icons are for. Oh, I forgot I didn't discuss the two other icons, which is this. The support icon includes these tabs or pop-up, which are the help, training, the terms of service or the rules, the privacy and policy, and term summary. But we will not be covering each of these individually in this video since it will take a lot of time. Also, there is this reporting problem icon where you can report your issue, or you can also suggest an idea for the advancement of the Google Meet application or Google Meet website. Now that you already know, again, the use of these icons inside the homepage of Google Meet, there it is the Start Trial. Inside the Start Trial of the Google Meet, you will see the premium pictures that you can use when you subscribe into their trial promo. So I'm gonna show you what are these features. Let's click the Start Trial. As you can see here, there are different choices to choose from when you want to subscribe to a premium trial or premium subscription, which is $479 monthly in peso. These are the features that are available. You can live stream video calls on YouTube. You have a background noise cancellation, video call recording on Meet, and a storage that is maximum of 2 terabytes. And also a unlimited magic editor saved in Google Photos. And you can also share this benefit with 5 other users of your Google account, and also you have a support coming from Google experts. So that is a great premium plan, but we are not subscribing into it since this is just a beginner's video or a video teaching you how to use Google Meet. Now that we already know the premium trial or premium subscription of Google Meet, let's head into the real meetings. Click the new meeting here, or you can also enter a code or link for a meeting. In this input box, you just need a code or link from a meeting that could be sent by a worker, your friend, or your teacher. This is where you are gonna place the meeting link that was sent to you. And then after placing it, you just need to click the join button. So let's head into the new meeting button. Once you click this, you have 3 choices to choose from, where you can create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule this using a Google Calendar. As you can see, Google Meet is automatically integrated or connected to your Google Calendar. So let's try first the first tab, which is you have to create a meeting for later. Click this. And here, as you can see, it has generated a link where someone or anyone can join using this link. So let's try this link and then paste it into the input box. Once you paste that here, you can now join here. As you can see, the join button was grayed out earlier. Now it has turned into blue tone. Click the join button. So this is the interface that will be introduced to you every single meeting that you will be joining. You can turn off or turn on your mic or your video here. You can also add effects or visual effects in your video with this available backgrounds and filters, and also for the improvement of your appearance or the background appearance. So that let's head back to the main interface. Once you have decided that you want to turn off your mic or your video, or you want to turn them on, and you have completed setting up the visual effects of your video, click the join now. And as you can see, this is the meeting interface of Google Meet. As you can see, I am only the person who is inside this Google Meet. But when there are a lot of people, or when there's a number of people inside this Google Meet, you can edit the layout here. Just click this three-dotted icon again, and then click the change layout. Inside this layout are the tiled layout, which is this as the preview, the spotlight. Spotlight will be showing the meetings leader or the meetings admin of the Google Meet, and also the sidebar. For the spotlight and sidebar, they just basically show the shared screen by the admin of the Google Meet. Also, you can turn off the hide tiles without video or turn them on. Now that you already know how to change your layout in Google Meet, let's click this again and then set this to full screen. As you can see, Google Meet uses this feature in order for you to use the Google Meet in full screen or to satisfy your needs. If it looks terrible to you, just set it back again into exit full screen. You can also use open picture in picture mode and apply visual effects again, and turn on captions if the user that is talking inside the Meet has a different language that you can't understand. So these captions are automatically generated on English language. Next is the settings. So the settings inside the meeting is different to the setting that we saw in the homepage of Google Meet, since there are only 3 tabs available there, such as the general, video, and audio. Inside the settings of Google Meet, we have now captions and reactions. As you can see, I have turned on the captions for my Google Meet, and you can also set or modify the language that you want for these captions. These are all the language available, and then you can choose everything here. But for now, let's use English. Next is the reactions. As you can see here, Google Meet has recently added reactions or emoji reactions. These reactions are the typical emoji that you can use in your Android phones or you see in your Android phones. You can also add a sound for it, and also an animation or make it visible or not visible to others. And let's exit that. And this is the send a reaction. Now, as you can see, we just joined a meeting, but how to explore the meetings inside? As you can see, in the bottom right corner of the screen are 5 icons, such as the meeting details. The meeting details will include the meeting link, which is the joining information. Next is the people icon. The people icon are all the users inside your Google Meet. And as for me, I am just the meeting host or this single person inside this Google Meet. That's why you are just only seeing one individual for this list. Next is the chat. Inside the chat, these are the in-call messages that you can show to the people inside your Google Meet. For example, I'd like to say hi. Just click the enter button, and then as you can see here, you can also pin it by hovering into the message. Then click the pin symbol and then click the pin this message as a confirmation. Next is the activities. As you can see in the Google Meet, we have integrated these activities or application in this platform, such as Miro, Lucid Spark, and Poly. And I don't have any idea about these activities or third-party add-ons, so we will not be covering these features. And lastly is the host control. Basically, the host control are the moderations or the admin control that you can perform inside the meeting, only and only if you are the host of the meeting. For example, you can allow sharing the screen of the contributors or the other members inside the meeting. You can turn off the send chat messages, you can turn off the reactions, or turn on their microphone or turn it off. So the access here is basically the controls over your meeting. As long as that you are the host of the meeting, you are capable of doing everything. So let's exit here, and once you are done in this Google Meet, you can now simply click the red button here and then click the leave call. Now this is the exiting interface of Google Meet. You can either rejoin to the meeting or return to your home screen, or submit a feedback if you have encountered a specific issue or a bug inside your meeting. And that's it. That's how you can use Google Meet in your future meetings or in your classes with your workmates or with your friends. And thank you for listening.